One of the hardiest, versatile and most productive herbs you can grow in the garden is parsley. Well, today I'm exploring why everyone should grow parsley, because this is four-season herb, and why I'm growing it between my roses. Let's see what parsley is, what type of plant it is. It is a biennial plant, so it is not like a majority of herbs. One season you put the seed in, it grows and then it dies in the fall. Parsley is a biennial plant. It means it grows its leafy canopy first year, gives us plenty to harvest, and then next year it creates long big stalks and creates seeds. So once you buy parsley seeds, you can grow parsley forever in your garden, which is lovely. And because parsley is such a hardy plant, it very often in the garden it behaves not as a typical herb. In spring it can withstand cold temperatures. In summer it can face the heat of the summer. In the fall, again, the taste of parsley becomes more pronounced, the bitterness goes away from all those cold nights. And in winter, look at me, there is nothing better than to open the snow when everything is dreary and brown, right, in the garden, and see these beautiful green shoots undisturbed by frost because they were covered by snow. And what better than to see greenery like this in your garden in the middle of January? Well, it's the beginning of January. All the holidays are over. We were very busy with them in our household, so later I will get you updated on all the events which are happening in our house. But today, let's talk about benefits of parsley. When spring comes into our gardens, and here in Connecticut, spring is very slow to come, so sometimes I'm waiting for it quite impatiently. But when it finally is here, nights are still cold, but days are becoming a little bit warm, and the soil warms up a bit. Parsley is one of the first seeds you can put in. Those seeds are not afraid of cold nights. They will start growing right away, starting to form the green canopy, and you will be able to harvest these green leaves in no time. Some herbs are struggling with cold nights, like our beloved basil, right? So we can't grow it in the garden right away, especially here in Connecticut, zone 7A. But parsley is ready to go, and you can harvest it right away. It has a very mild flavor in spring, and the more you harvest, the more it keeps going, you know? So as soon as the soil is warm in my garden, I put those seeds in. I had my second year parsley in the front, so I collected all the seeds, and in spring I'm going to put them down. And this year, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them among my roses, because parsley, everybody thinks about parsley as a herb, and they don't mix it among the plants in ornamental garden. Well, because people don't think of parsley as an ornamental plant, they just overlook it. And imagine all these shiny, beautiful leaves, not bothered by diseases whatsoever, can withstand the summer very well, goes through the whole growing season beautiful, pristine, untouched. Rabbits do not like it. Actually, it can be a repellent for all the wild pests. So a nice companion plant for my roses. And this year I will plant several parsley seeds around my Lady of Shalott at the bottom, because I have a feeling that rabbits do nibble at the bottom shoots of my roses and they kind of destroy them. So hopefully parsley will be the one to say, no, thank you, rabbits, you can go and eat something else. Okay, so spring is a great time to start parsley early and have a wonderful green addition to the kitchen, right? Well, summer comes with the hot days, punishing hot days of summer. And usually a lot of herbs really undergo stress and are tested severely during those hot waves. Well, not parsley. Parsley goes through heat days of summer without any problems. It rarely bolts, meaning it rarely sends out shoots with seeds, doesn't form seed heads very quickly if the weather is too hot. Cilantro, for example. doesn't like heat of summer at all, will start bolting right away. Not parsley. As long as you give it a little bit of shady conditions, good soil, hydration, parsley is very happy to grow, and very quickly it becomes quite a sturdy, strong plant, living all the way through the fall. And here in the fall, it's a harvest time. Parsley is huge, it's producing new shoots. Usually I collect all the leaves, and it's a good thing to collect all the canopy, majority of it. You see, I don't leave a lot under the snow, just here and there to pick through cold days of winter, but majority of it I take and I dry in the house for winter cooking. And then comes winter, like here, and nothing better than to come into the garden where we don't really have anything going on in the garden for the gardener to do. Dig a little bit of snow and find this beautiful promise of spring, these green wonderful shoots, and even a little bit of addition of those fresh herbs during winter cooking days makes such big of a difference, right? I grew up with flat leaf parsley through my childhood, so the favorite two plants my mom always sent me to collect them in the garden was dill and parsley for daily soups. Well, Ukrainians are very famous for loving soups, and my family was not an exception, so we had soup literally every day for lunch. And I would be the one to harvest parsley and dill for soups. So it's a good reminder for me about my childhood too. And I really like only smooth leaf parsley, but there are different types, of course. There is root parsley, there is smooth leaf parsley, there is curly parsley. Curly parsley is a little bit hardier than smooth leaf parsley, and root parsley is harvested or grown for its nice big roots. Although I remember my mom, in the middle of winter, when the soil is kind of warm and nice, you can work it, she would take the smooth leaf roots out and very often add it to soups as well. She claims that that root makes soup very tasty. I really didn't do it. Maybe I should do it once and test it to myself. I grew up with smooth leaf and root parsley. We would harvest them, and usually root parsley is not really grown for its leaves. They're a little bit coarse and harsh, but you know what? In worst case scenario, you can do that too, harvest leaves and roots as well. Well, parsley is one of those herbs which has very good taproot. So it's very deep root. That's why parsley can withstand the heat of the summer so well, and also can survive the cold of the winter well, because those roots are reaching deep into the warmer area of the soil, also into the more soil filled with the water, right, all the way deep. That's why I think parsley is such a great plant, and every gardener should have it, or every garden should have it. Now let me update you what's going on in Carmody's household. Well, Christmas and New Year is very, I wouldn't say busy in a bad way, but busy in a good way. You know how everybody is telling you, oh, I'm so busy, I'm so busy. I don't like that answer. I like to be busy in a good way. So that's what our house is during the holidays. It is receiving so many guests, and usually I celebrate Ukrainian Christmas for all my relatives, American relatives, and we also hosted many people coming into the house. So, oh my gosh, it was such a happy time. I usually prepare a lot of Ukrainian dishes. Everybody knows it. Everybody comes over. It's a big festivity. There are many people. We put big tables in the middle of our living room. A lot of cooking. So as you can see, I wasn't here online a lot on this channel. I didn't post many videos because I was doing all happy cooking, baking breads and making Ukrainian dishes, stuffed cabbage, pierogis, borscht, and it was just wonderful, you know. So now, when all the festivities are over, memories are built. Kids enjoyed it. Everybody enjoyed it. I loved it. Although some of the events I missed because I was in the kitchen preparing and cooking for everyone, but it was all lovely. And now I'm ready to get back into the garden, although garden is still there, quiet for January and February here. I have to get myself occupied with some sort of garden activities in the house, right? Not to get that garden fear too fast and then waiting forever for spring to come. Well, I'm enjoying my evergreens in the garden because they're staying so nice and happy. It's a good structure in the garden. Well, this year I didn't do a lot of cleaning up, so you can see a lot of stuff is still here, which is good for beneficial insects. So, major cleaning in spring. But for now, buy yourself parsley seeds if you're not growing them in the garden and plant them. And let's grow our gardens together. Happy gardening. I'm happy to dig beautiful leaves for underneath the snow canopy. And you're right, guess what I'm going to make for lunch today? Soup.